Today on 2010 Speed, we're going to talk about bicycle wheel maintenance, which should be done each week. First thing to do is spin the wheel. Make sure it spins freely. If it does not, check the brake pads that one is not rubbing. If the clearance is okay, the problem may be in the lock nuts of the hub being too tight and therefore wearing the bearings inside the hub, in which case you'll need to see your bike shop. Also, while spinning, check for trueness. That is, you can look on one side and see that the rim evenly moves around the same distance from the pad and therefore is not out of true. Next, try moving the wheel. If it wiggles, the skewer may not be tight. Make sure it's plenty tight and you have to press with your hand. If it still wiggles, the problem may be with the hub. The lock nuts may be too loose and you're going to need to take it into your bike shop to have them look at that. Check the tire for any nicks or cuts. Check the sidewall for wear or fraying. If you find these, you may need to replace the tire. Finally, check the rim, that there are no dents, nicks. Also, as you feel the rim, if it feels U-shaped, it is worn and probably needs to be replaced.